High-quality products lead to greater quality of life. Their production demands the utmost precision from machines when processing various materials. High-tech machines from Reichenbacher Hamül offer the perfect solution. They're flexible, efficient and customized, creating added value for industry and engineering. Reichenbacher Hamül GmbH is a subsidiary of the internationally active Schädel Group and thus also a global player. Schädel acts locally and thinks globally. All staff members operate within a universal network and make full use of the obvious synergy effects. This opens up new prospects and results in cost-competitive products. Group synergies also have a positive impact on the renowned engineering company Reichenbacher Hamül. Welding technology, automation technology, switch cabinet construction and machine control units, the integration of special tools and devices, as well as noise protection through machine housings, are just a few examples of what is achieved. Since its foundation in 1954, Reichenbacher Hamül has received prestigious national prizes and awards in recognition of its leading position in technology. For instance, for its pioneering development of NC machines for the woodworking industry, or due to its innovative and groundbreaking entry into 5-axis machining. Excellent skills and knowledge of what is technically possible. The staff is highly motivated when it comes to manufacturing complex CNC machining centers for timber, plastics, aluminium or composites. Around the world, more than 3,000 Reichenbacher Hamül machines assure the highest level of reliability and productivity, day in, day out. Absolute precision and maximum flexibility when machining components. Technical features which make the Eco Series stand out from the crowd. This CNC machine, with a vibration-free fixed gantry, has one or more aggregate slides, and application of additional tables enables setup work to be carried out whilst the machine continues production. Modern tables with individually controllable pin elements help to reduce setup times for single machining. The machining centers of the Vision series are highly dynamic and as a result cost-effective. Tool changer systems can hold up to 120 tools ready for use. Quality assurance also comprises a laser system for monitoring tool geometries. Elbe Flugzeugwerke, based in Dresden, Germany, is a member of the Airbus Group and uses high-tech materials to manufacture sandwich and laminate components for aircraft. Needless to say, this would not be possible without high-tech machines. Numerous companies appreciate in particular the high innovative standards set by Reichenbacher Hamül. This includes Airex Composite Structures, a Swiss company that processes composites for rail vehicles, buses and industrial products. And it is not just the lightweight construction specialists from Switzerland who are impressed by Reichenbacher Hamül's core skills and outstanding flexibility. Gaugler & Lutz was founded in 1983. Where multi-axis machining is concerned, we have been benefiting from the experience and competence of Reichenbacher for more than 15 years. As a flexible and dynamic enterprise, we place great emphasis on innovation, and Reichenbacher is the perfect partner in this area. Reichenbacher met all our demands in full for a digital 3D model machine that incorporates the respective kinematics and a collision detection system. We have been working with Reichenbacher for some years now, and we're very, very happy with the results. In fact, you could describe it as a highly successful partnership. For us, Reichenbacher is not just a supplier. We regard the company as a partner who takes special note of our wishes and has an innovative and flexible approach to constructing machines according to our requirements. We have recently decided to purchase 2 new units from Reichenbacher. Reichenbacher shows a great understanding of customer wishes and requirements. The company takes all our needs into account. They also put all their know-how into the project. This obviously helped to strengthen our position, and we were also impressed with the fact that Reichenbacher had already built units in this sector. It became clear during and after project completion that we had made the right choice. Comprehensive online help is available from experts for all customers at almost any time of the day or night. The machining centers are equipped with a tele-diagnostic module, which enables worldwide maintenance and support from head office. Service additionally includes continuous dialogue and the exchange of experiences in the field. The focus is always on ensuring maximum machine availability and providing the opportunity to upgrade systems and improve efficiency at all times. The ultimate goal is to increase machine flexibility while reducing production periods and downtime. Highly motivated engineers and technicians develop tailor-made solutions that address specific needs and offer clients the maximum possible benefits. Expert knowledge is needed to integrate machining centers perfectly into a customer's production processes. Utilization of cutting-edge design and calculation methods opens up potentially new directions in mechanical engineering, especially in terms of speed and dynamic qualities. Innovative ideas ensure best fit solutions to meet the demands of Industry 4.0. Focus is gradually shifting away from the construction of an individual machining center and towards perfect interaction between complex manufacturing units and logistics. It is in this context too that the name of Reichenbacher Hamül is synonymous with meeting tomorrow's challenges today.